called...
Oh, you can change your club? Bless you.
I'm sorry, I sneezed on you. Not on you, on them. Sorry.
I think
I sneezed right into the microphone because it's taped to my face.
that should be fine.
I have dad sneeze.
A what?
A dad sneeze.
What does that mean? Wait,
I
a
have
dad
a loud
sneeze?
sneeze.
That wasn't loud!
It was
That was a
loud!
girl sneeze!
It was so loud.
That was grandma sneeze.
Grandma sneeze. But you have the cutest sneeze.
I don't.
You do. You go like. No, I don't. You do.
Mine is quiet.
It's so quiet. Sometimes I can't even hear it. You're just
Well,
like,
it's because I'm holding back.
no, I've heard you sneeze in person.
When did I sneeze?
Like yesterday.
When did I do that?
I heard your sneeze and it was cute.
You could hear me. It must have been loud.
It wasn't. It was
So
quiet.
you can